Hey everyone, this is me, Vineet, with my partner in crime, Varun Gandhi. Together we started the PowerPointClub.com, and now we bring to you our podcast. The goal of this podcast is to give you all the information that you need for free so that you can apply to universities abroad and set your career on track. We wish you good luck, keep in touch, stay tuned, and get all the information you need. I have a question for you. This whole deal about safe university, what comes to your mind when you hear the word safe?
Don't apply. That's what comes
Exactly.
to mind.
Tell me more.
Don't apply. Don't apply to universities because so many cases we have seen, the state universities, they're not quality universities to begin with. So finding a job after you graduate from one of these universities is so difficult. It's not even worth going. So I would say don't apply to any safe university because it's definitely not worth it. It's just money not spent well.
Right. So basically what you're saying is the fact that you've identified a university as a safe university, you're saying, you know what, this university is going to take any candidate. I'm much better than this university to begin with. The reason why I'm applying to a safe university is because I am desperate to get into any university and go to universities or wherever you're applying to. And I just need to lock in one university. So here's what happened, right? You've applied to 10 universities, 15 universities, 5 of them were safe. You got into 2 safe universities. Generally, if you're applying to 10, 15 universities, it means your application isn't the best to begin with, so you do not have any scholarship opportunities. Now you have these 2 universities. One's in Iowa, one's in Bumbleville, Georgia, right? And then you have a decision to make. Should I go or should I not? And then if I come ask you, Varun, should I go or should I not go, what would you say?
Don't go.
Yeah, why?
They're going to take out, like $40,000, $60,000 in loans over 2 years, maybe even more sometimes. They're going to come out to America in the middle of nowhere, Bumblefuck, Georgia, and where there are no jobs to begin with. It's in this dinky po university where the population of that city is maybe 500 because the university has that many people. And once they graduate, where are they going to go? There are no jobs. No one comes out. None of these companies come out there to recruit. No one's heard of that university. So what happens? Now they have to go back home, pack up their bags, go home, and they're stuck with the $80,000 loan.
Right. And on top of that, you already started your career by selling yourself short. You identified 10 great colleges and then 5 safe colleges, and you got into 2 safe colleges. What does that tell you about your own attempt, about your own effort? It says that, you know what, you messed up. You did not even work hard to get into a good university, and now you're just going because you have no other option. That way of living life is going to get you nowhere. Every single time, every single opportunity you get in life, you need to identify the good opportunities and go for the good opportunities. Don't let life be in control of you. You got to be in control of your own life. In this situation, you got to be in control. You got to have options. You got to be the one making the decision, not saying, oh, you know what, well, these are the 2 choices I have. It was, no other options. I don't have anything else to do. You know what, let's just go. It doesn't work that way. You're setting yourself up to failure.
And these universities suck, but I still have to go because I'm forced to. This is what life wants me to do. I don't have control. I don't feel like I have any control over this decision, so I'm just going to go. And a lot of the cases, the reason they want to escape, they want to come to America because they think they have a better life here, even though they're going to some small-ass university in the middle of nowhere. But the reason they're coming here, they want to escape from their life in India or wherever they are coming from, because they think they'll be better off in America. But in many cases we've seen, it's not the case. It's not true.
It's not true. I mean, United States or Australia, Europe, India, all of these places are the same. There's people who have good lives, there's people who have not so good. And it's all because of what they make of the opportunity that's presented in front of them. In the United States, the life could be great here, but keep in mind the poverty in the United States is 20%, similar to the poverty in almost all parts of the world. There are people here who have menial day-to-day jobs where they work out on the cash register, just like everywhere else. To get to the top 1%, no matter where you are, you got to work hard, you got to put effort, you got to make the most out of every single opportunity. And this part of your life where you can say, you know what, I'm going to spend 6 months and choose any university in the world that I can go to. I'm going to showcase myself to the best possible that I can and capture this opportunity. You are blessed that you have this opportunity, this time in your life where you can set a new direction for yourself. So don't squander it. Don't take this lightly. Don't take coming to the United States or anywhere in the world like moving out in one country, taking out lots of loans, and going to a university that's going to set your career. This is a very important decision.
Yeah, definitely agree with that. And it's not like, when they go from high school to undergrad, it's a small transition. They don't have to put in a lot of effort. It's, it's within the country, and it's not where they have to take out a lot of loans for it either. But now, coming international, going to a different country, taking out so much loans, going to a new place, unknown place, you don't know what kind of city you're going to be in. And if you don't make the right decision, you don't make the decision when you get that acceptance that, no, I'm not going to.
You bring up a great point. Here's what I want to say about that transition from high school into their undergraduate. In lots of countries around the world, India, China, UAE, countries in the Middle East, actually some European countries as well. The way that transition happens is that you have some kind of entrance exam into engineering schools, into medical schools, into different types of universities. And you have to do really great on that entrance exam, and that's how you're judged. Well, you need to understand in lots of the developed nations, Europe, United States, Australia, that is not the way you will get selected. And lots of students do not understand that, and that's why they put all their eggs in one basket, which is the GRE or the GMAT or the LSAT or whatever type of entrance exam.
I love the conversation, but I'm sorry to cut it short. You can definitely check us out on our website, powerpunchclub.com, or on our social channels. You can follow us on Quora or Facebook or on our YouTube channel. Just search for Power Punch Club. We're also on iTunes now and Google Play. Definitely check us on those two channels as well. Finally, BJ, it was great talking to you, man. And let's catch up next time, all right?
Absolutely. Thank you, Varun. Hey, guys, this is Vineet with Varun at Power Punch Club. You guys know already that we're hosting events all across India this coming summer for the application season 2018. We're going to be holding workshops in a bunch of different cities across the country. The workshop's going to be a day long, 12 hours straight. You're going to come in. We're going to help you brand yourself. We're going to help you understand what type of universities to apply to, depending on your particular situation, your particular goals. And then we're going to help you put together 1 to 2, maybe 3 applications during that 12-hour session. You'll know everything that you need to know to apply to universities, put together a great application, and get an admission into a great university across the globe.